welcome back to this channel. Today I am filming solo, but if you don't know me, I am Rumi Candy Gamer, but also you can call me Rumi or Candy. Today we are playing Don't Press the Button 4 because all the other games that I tried went crashing down. Oh god. This thing already went. I never knew. I just want to film this for fun because I have nothing better to do. Turn on captions if you can't hear me well. If you guys hear me commotion, that means I'm doing something which is moving my iPad. So yeah. Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. But I am really bored at this point and have nothing better to do. So this is the only thing I can think of because me Dumbo. So honestly, just like, yo, I was just trying to collect the coin. Right at the middle when I reached the top, somebody sent me a friend request. What I do with your friend request, if I do not know you, I will not accept. But if any of you want a giveaway, I'm still doing a giveaway on Adopt Me even though I don't play it anymore. I still want to do a giveaway for you guys if you guys still play it. Oh. Commotion. Bruh. I'm lagging. Goodbye, friend request. If I accidentally friend you, you're lucky. Oh my god. Why the maze? Oh my. Why does that thing? Okay, whatever. I mean, it is true. Where are we? And but honestly, without the others, I'm bored. And Puppy is having a mother and daughter time together. So yeah, and Tracy can't play anymore. Tracy can't play anymore, as I was saying, because I don't know what she has to do. Ooh, trampoline. And some of you guys may not meet my other friends, but depends. Yo, I just got. Don't need that. No. Boing boing. Oh, we still go boing boing. Still go jumping. Come on. Okay. Big brain. Okay. Wait, what? So when did I sign up for this? How does it? No, this isn't fair. These people are too fast. Yo, that person doesn't want to do anything. Do it. Okay, this floor is glitchy. Probably their fault and my fault if I don't reach it. My opinion, I'm not gonna reach it. This person's just like trying to help me. Okay, now I'm gonna make it. No! Bro! I was right there. So much commotion. What is this? Oh, God. I don't know how to do anything. Let's see the drama going. Let's see where I can go. Comment down below in the comment section what I should buy. But I really want this. But it's 1,000. Reach the top. If we're gonna reach the flippin' top, where are we supposed to go? Flippin'. I mean, we do jump high. Oh God, oh God, oh God. None of us made it, and I was like, watch out. Oh my. I'm lagging, no. But all of the games went crashing down. So. Oh. Come here. Yo. What does it mean by be careful? I'm gonna beat this girl. No. Okay, they just went crashing down. Okay, I'm going crashing down also then. And here I go, boing. Oh, what? I would love it. Okay, big brain again. Acid is spreading. Oh no. No. Okay. Just turns on my light too. Wait. Me, Dumbo, I could have won the button. Get to the top. Oh God. We are not seeing true for this. I don't think anything's gonna happen. Now I shall spam click this button. How long is it gonna take? Yo. Me, Dumbo, I never know where the location is coming from. People are going down. response or something? Okay, then. Boing, boing. Oh god. You're responding to messages is like almost commotion because I won't pay attention to the screen and then yeah. Commotion. Oh god, I went bling bling. Don't tell. So you're telling me this is the top? Bleh. Honestly, I don't know anything anymore. Get to the finish line. Where's the... Oh. For a second, I'm like, where's the finish line? This is somewhat like speedrun 4. Oh god, I'm lagging. Wow, that person made it full. Wow. Banana. Oh god. The heck? The mouth of the banana is just my bandana. Yo, we still have the banana on. If you guys may think this is boring, go watch another video of mine. I feel like I'm just gonna play one more round and then yeah. Before I say anything else, like and subscribe or else me, the banana, will get you. Wow, I already died. Now just a normal beat. Oh. Go see Trio Gaming. But it's very hard to find because there's lots of Trio Gaming in the world. So this one is exclusive to find. Yo, where did I get this ball? Banana again? Okay, as I was saying, like and subscribe or else me, the banana, will get you while you're sleeping. Okay, that's all for today, guys. Bye.